What's up, you guys? Hayden here from Texas Speed and Performance. As you know, the Brawler Lawn Block giveaway is going on right now. For every dollar you spend, you get entered to win. It doesn't matter if it's a t-shirt, a hoodie, spark plug wires, anything and everything we sell is eligible for this. So hop online, stop by the store, call in, do whatever you need to do. Get your orders in though. You have until May 30th. Deadline's coming quick. But enough of me talking. Let's check out Paul's Mustang. As you guys saw in the last episode, we got Chase's car to the track, made some passes. You saw what it could do. Right now we got Paul's Mustang. We're gonna do a brake job and a clutch job on this. She's pretty rowdy. I like the color. Paul, real quick, what's in the car? What do we got going on?
Basically, the motor's a 3-2-1 setup, so it's a Gen 3 short block, 12-to-1 compression. Heads are Gen 2. They are ported, and the cams obviously have to match the ECU. They're comp cams Gen 1 off the shelf. They're stage 3. It's lightweight battery. Has a Cobra jet, bigger throttle body, bigger intake. It's on a full E85. Has a pump in it and bigger injectors. And it's pretty gutted.
He was not lying when he said it is gutted, y'all.
He was not lying.
Ain't even no AC in it, huh?
No AC.
No AC, no door panels. Got some Kirkies. Back seat delete. All right, boys. Let's get to work.
Let's get to it. Take it up. Should be straightforward, but we got a big hammer just in case we can't get them off. So. We'll get them off.
I mean, they might come off in pieces the way they're looking. Man, you haven't been hard on these brakes at all, have you?
No.
Boy, cracked.
Brakes are for sissies anyway.
Every single place that they can be cracked, they are cracked. We got the new ones right here. So we were talking, the idea, Justin built his blue car, which is named Scrappy. That's built for no prep, top end, and going down to Mexico and making some passes. But we had a great idea at Texas 2K because he cannot do some of the classes that he would want to do, right? That'd be a good way to put it, that you would want to do. So build Scrappy to go do all the Scrappy stuff, and then build a Scooby, a little bit more legal, a little bit better.
A lot more prep friendly, put it that way.
So that we could take it to, you know, Texas Motorplex at 2K next year.
Yeah.
Get in that street car class.
Run the street car class, some X275 classes, maybe try to go to Ducks race. Like, I want to try to get a number and see if that happens, but it's in the works. I'm thinking about doing something like that. Just time and money, time and money.
So if you guys have an F-body laying around that you want to see it go fast, look, he's even wearing this shirt, y'all. Look at it. Always. Scrappy needs a big brother. Let's get it. So now the tedious work begins.
Kinda, yeah. You gotta drop the headers to take the trans out?
Yes. Okay. No.
You do not want to take the headers off this car.
Yeah.
All right, so this stays on. We'll be here all night.
Ooh.
Oh no.
I think you would make the
I had to jump in, help them a little bit. We're trying to get the brakes done today. It's 6:20, about to get out of here. Everybody wants to go home, eat dinner, you know, the things after a long day of work, because we are doing this after work. Just like with his build, just like with Chase's, we are putting in the overtime hours, they would say, to get these cars back on the road. So we got the rotors replaced, 2-piece. So we had to put it back on the little what do they call this? Hub? Call it the rotor hub? I'd call it a rotor hub.
Yeah. Wheel hub.
Yeah, technical term, I don't know. I mean, technically the hub...
Well, come on, Bill, not a science guy. You was hitting us earlier with it.
Technically, the hub is what holds the rotor on this portion. So, I mean...
Whatever. 2-piece rotor, 1 piece reused, 1 piece brand new. We got it back on.
Show them that thickness on the new brake pad.
Bare rotors, bare rotors, bare calipers, bare brakes. Then we get the McLeod clutch. Shout out to McLeod. They hooked us up with a clutch for this build. Shout out to Texas Speed and Performance and, you know, GoPro mounts falling. Shout out to Texas Speed and Performance though. They hooked it up with the brakes for Paul. Shout out to Paps for getting her done over here.
Yeah, I didn't think I hit that GoPro.
Mr. Bandy over there. And this kind of feels like back home for you, don't it? Working on a Mustang.
Yeah, I'm a Mustang guy at heart. The F-body is my first Camaro, well, my second Camaro. I had a 3rd gen. But Mustangs are my thing. Always been my thing. LSs are new to me, so happy to be back home.
Well, we did say, oh yeah, I think you were in here. This is the first Mustang featured on the channel.
First Ford.
First Ford featured on the channel.
If y'all didn't know, Texas Speed Performance has been doing their R&D, and we're about to come out and take over the Coyote world.
You heard it here first from a true Mustang lover. We're about to do some work.
Do some work.
As my man's over here working.
I'm really excited for the new Coyote stuff. I think it's gonna be sweet. The 7.3 Godzilla stuff is killing it. I mean, we're making 700 horsepower with, you know, heads and cam combos, so that's doing really good, but still super new platform. So I think the Coyote stuff is gonna really blow up. I think it's really gonna do good. Loving it.
We're excited. Couple Ugga Duggas and she good to go, huh?
Ugga Dugga.
Oh, camera guy coming in clutch. Look at that, almost killed him.
Not the welds.
Did you get the spacer?
Yep, spacer is in there. And that, you guys, is the brake job. Next up, we are going to drop the tranny out of this bad boy, put that bad boy in it, and then put it right back up in there. But before we do that, we want to show y'all a couple pulls in the green machine. So that's it for today. We're gonna put the car back away, and then tomorrow we're gonna do the clutch, and then we'll show you a couple pulls with it, with the brand new clutch, show you how, you know, how good it shifts versus what we have right now.
Maybe not. See how big that throttle body is? All y'all need throttle bodies that big. I'm just saying.
I'd help you, man, but ain't no room in there. You can get the top 2.
Just breaking the top ones free, yeah?
Yeah, right now I'm just taking the 2 top bell housing bolts off, but after these 2, everything else will be underneath the car.
So,
Are you gonna drop those?
Yeah, just do these right here.
I was doing the drive shaft, yeah.
That's a 12. Yeah, it's 12.
Can we get it in a gear from here? That thing brand new.
Yeah, it is.
It's out.
out with the old, in with the new.
Yup.
Shout out McLeod, hooking it up. This clutch kit. Gotta keep those stickers handy. We're gonna have to put them somewhere.
Yeah, Paul, you're under a contractual obligation to run this on your car now.
Oh, you got it. You know what you're doing.
Let's see what we're working with here.
Yeah.
You know, I've seen worse, but I've definitely seen better.
Golly.
Yeah, she's.
Hold that up to the new one over here.
Oh yeah.
So, old,
Yeah.
many miles, many pools, brand new, not even broke in yet.
Yeah.
Boy, oh boy. So, not too bad on that side.
But
Boy,
Alright, we don't need to see those.
boy. Definitely time.
Pineapple goes on pizza.
Oh, you heard it here first. Comment below, do you think pineapple belongs on pizza? It definitely does not belong on the chair. Jesse gonna be mad.
the hex key wears out, the bearing. So there's a bearing on the inside of it on the hex key. If
Clutch is in. We're looking a little tired. It's coming up on 7:15. Started at about 4:30.
I was up extra late working on the car last night. But Paul's about to throw a throwout bearing, new throwout bearing in the trans. And then we're gonna throw it on the transmission jack and throw it back in there.
That is a throwout bearing. When you press it on the clutch pedal, this compresses, releases the clutch, which you put into the next gear.
So then once you let the clutch out, it tightens everything back up in there.
Correct.
All right. Clear the wires, clear the tires.
I'm gonna start cleaning up so I ain't gotta stay.
money.
Pass me the strap.
All right, y'all. We got the trans back in, wiring harness plugged back in. We're getting the last little things, the O2 sensors. We got 2 more bell housing bolts up top to get in. And then we're done. The clutch is in, brakes are done. We do gotta break in the clutch and everything. So Paul is gonna do that this week. And then next week, we're gonna do some pulls in it, see how it shifts, see how it feels. Yeah, for now, we are done. Bandy, any last words?
Get this man a nitrous kit. Dave. Nitro Dave. Dave, we'll be calling you, all right? Yeah.
Comment below if y'all think that we should put a nitrous kit on this. All right, you guys, but this is gonna end it for this episode. Next up, we got what do we got next up, actually? Ooh, I forgot. We gotta keep it a secret, but our next build series is gonna be a pretty special one.
LS Fest, Texas, in Dallas area. Was it Ennis?
It's Ennis, yep.
And it's at the Monoplex.
No, it's not.
No, is it at the NASCAR? Where's it at?
It's at Texas Motor Speedway. We do it on the pits.
That's
Pit
Oh,
road.
we do.
Texas Motor Speedway, Dallas, Texas. Come see us at LS Fest, and you'll see a build series in person in the pits.
Y'all heard it here first. This is gonna end it for this episode. The next build series is gonna go down at LS Fest, Texas. So if you guys are in the area, stop by, come and see us live for the action. If not, it'll be on the channel here very soon.